Hello, my name is Charles Johnson. I'm a senior from St. Paul, Minnesota, majoring in accounting. Currently, I work at NTT Data for my internship. I began working there in September 2019, so I'm going on almost 4 semesters. Currently, right now, I work in the financial department, but I haven't begun my internship, so I'm going to tell you about my previous internship working at the data center. So NTT Data is a subsidiary of NTT, which is a company that started in Japan, a multi-billion-dollar company. And NTT Data services began when NTT bought Dell services in America. And so NTT Data Services is an IT company. If you don't know what IT mean, information technology. So they help other companies with their IT departments. And me working at the data center, which is a building that holds servers. So the servers are used by companies to store information and send information. So I'm gonna tell you about my daily activities working there. So I worked Monday and Tuesday, and I would work from 9 to 5. And so my day starts off, I come on the data center, which is in West Plano, and to get access, I would have to use my ID because our data center is very secure because we don't want anybody from outside the company that's able to tamper with our servers and our hardware. So to get on each floor, I have to have access, and to get access, you have to go through certain levels of security. So I would start my day off. I would come before I even enter the building. I would head to building H, and I would make sure that our inventory is okay. And if our inventory is low, then I would take note of that so we can order more cables if needed for our workers. And then after that, I would head to my desk, make sure, check and see if I have any tickets. So a client, which would be a customer for any business, if they had an issue with their servers or any hardware issues, they would have put in a ticket. And me being a hardware team and being under the shadowing the manager, I would have to go through and make sure that the tickets are completed in a timely manner, or if there's any severe tickets. So we have a SEB 1 and a SEB 2. A SEB 1 would be a major incident which needs to be taken care of right now. A SEB 2, a customer would have to put in a ticket. And so mainly that's most of my day is working on tickets and making sure issues are fixed. And so as you can see, this is our dress code isn't as strict as as being business casual, because we move a lot on the data center floor, and we have to go under, and it's a physical job. So typically you could wear a polo and jeans and boots or tennis shoes just because you're moving a lot. I like to wear just a light dress shirt and some slacks and some tennis shoes just because I'm moving from building to building and doing a lot of walking. But once I start working in the finance, our dress code would be business casual. So I would wear, slacks, polo, or a t-shirt and a tie. But that is mainly what working at NTT Data is. I hope it's a global organization. So after graduation, I hope to receive full-time employment and work there for a year or two, and then try to work globally in a different country, hopefully Spain, or I wouldn't mind working in Japan either. So that's working at NTT Data, and hopefully I can't wait to start working in my department and beginning my internship. Thank you.